So you wash your face every day and you change your toothbrush after about 3 to 4 months of usage. But what about your contact lenses? Are you taking care of them? Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Savio Pereira. I'm a senior consultant in Nethradhama Super Speciality Eye Hospital. I'm a Phaco-Refractive consultant, and one of the specialities of mine is getting rid of glasses and doing refractive surgery. But at the same time, till you are suitable, you may be on contact lenses, and here I'm about to give you some information and common mistakes people make about contact lenses. So one of the most common mistakes they make is sleep with them. So are you sleeping with your contact lens? Now this is something which you should understand, that the cornea has no blood supply. It takes its nourishment from the air. By wearing the contact lens, you are compromising that, and sleeping with them, you're compromising it even more. So any deposits, any infections have a higher chance of occurring if you sleep with your contact lens. So that's a strict no-no. Never sleep with your contact lens. Mistake number 2. Now this is something people very often do, is they buy a monthly disposable and use it for 2 or 3 months. So if you're using your contact lenses over the stipulated period, be careful, because this can cause wear and tear of the contact lenses, slippage, also the edges may become sharp, and you have more chances of infection developing in them. Mistake number 3, topping up the solution. We all use the solution to clean your contact lens, and we also use it to build out the debris which develops over time. We need to remove that. So this is a very important part of the contact lens hygiene. So if you notice that the level is coming down, it's important that you discard that and don't just top up the solution, because you're going to have a very high chance of infection developing, because this is a threat to your eye, your vision, and the quality of your life. Mistake number 4. This is about your contact lens case. We always say, oh, it's made of plastic, we can reuse it how many times we want. But no, the contact lens case has to be changed every 3 months. Now, why is this so? Is remember that it is having a solution, you're storing it, you're traveling with it, and it serves as a nidus of infection. That the infection will go to your contact lens and in turn affect your eye and even lead to a corneal ulcer. So be very careful of this. And the 5th and the last mistake people make very often, and it's something so basic, it's as simple as just simple hand washing. Hand washing helps for you to handle your contact lens very hygienically. And this helps with your increasing your life of your contact lens, and also any chance of infection is significantly reduced. See all, if you'll need any help regarding your contact lens wearage, if you're suitable, please do come, get an eye checkup done, and we will check you and see if you want to get even rid of your glasses. You can get refractive surgery, or if you are in the time where your number is not stable, you can use contact lenses, and we will help you out to see the world much better. Thank you.